Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about transportation problem using northwest corner rule. So for that we have this transportation problem. So first of all, from beginning, the many people gets confused between east west. So here is a rough map. So here we have north, south, west and east. So basically we have to find the northwest corner cell. And so basically we have to move to the top left corner, this one. So similarly we have to find here the northwest corner cell. And in this particular problem we have the northwest cell is 4. So our first northwest corner cell is this one. So corresponding to it we have a supply 19 and we have demand 9. So now we have to in order to solve this we have to find the minimum value between these two corresponding to these. So either we have supply or we have demand. So the minimum value between demand and supply is 9, which is minimum. So we have to allocate this 9 to this cost. So here it is. So basically we will then subtract the demand and supply from the allocated value. So we'll subtract 9 minus 9, that will be 0, and 19 minus 9, that will be 10. Now if the supply is satisfied, then we'll cross all the horizontal cells, and if the demand is satisfied, then we'll cross all the vertical cells. So now since the demand is satisfied, demand is 0, so we'll cross all the vertical cells. Okay, now in the next step again we have to find the northwest corner cell. Now since these values are cut, so next we have this one. From here we have the northwest corner cell, this 5, and corresponding to this value we have supply 10 and we have demand 13, and the minimum value between supply and demand, that is supply, that is 10. 10 is the minimum value, so we'll allocate 10 to it. And 10 minus 10, there will be 0. 13 minus 10, there will be 3. Now since the supply is satisfied, so we'll cross all the horizontal values, that is these both. Okay, now we are left with this figure. From this problem now we have to find again in the third step the northwest corner cell. So here the northwest corner cell is this one, 7, and corresponding to it has supply 15 and demand 3, and the less value between both these two, that is 3, we'll allocate 3 to it. So this will be 0 and this will be 15 minus 3, that is 12. So again demand is satisfied, so we'll cross all the vertical cells, that it is okay. So next again northwest corner cell between these 4 is 2, so we'll take it into consideration. Now it has supply 12 and demand 16, and the less value is 12, so we'll allocate 12 to it, and 12 minus 12 will be 0, and 16 minus 12 will be 4. Now supply is satisfied, so we'll cross the horizontal cells, this one. Now we are left with these two, and the northwest corner is this one, so we'll take this into consideration. Now it has a corresponding to it has supply 11 and demand 4, so 4 will be taken into consideration, so we'll allocate 4 to it. 4 minus 4 0, 11 minus 4 will be 7, and now the only cell left is 3, so we'll allocate 7. It has a demand 7 and supply 7, so we'll allocate 7 to it, and 7 minus 7 will be 0, 7 minus 7 will be 0. So by this way we have solved transportation problem. Now we'll find the total minimum transportation cost, so we'll simply multiply these values. That will be 9 into 4 plus 10 into 5 plus 3 into 7 plus 12 into 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 7 into 3. So we have 36, 15, 21, 24, 16, 21, which will come to be 168. So our total minimum transportation cost using northwest corner rule is 168. So I hope all of you have understood this. If you have any problems, do share that in comments. Surely I'll address that. And if you have understood this, then do like, share, comment, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. And in the next video, we'll talk about the transportation problem method using least cost rule. Thank you.